So if you want to actually record with your, or rather if you want to do the same thing that we did on the laptop with your phone, just want you to come to Chrome and search for ChatGPT. So we have ChatGPT here, just click on it. And here we have ChatGPT fast answers anytime. It depends on your own browser or your location. Sometimes it will just show ChatGPT. Although the same, you will see the domain name here, https www.chatgpt.com. So you can click on it in any way it shows on your own, maybe just the domain name or this extension of right up here. So you can click on it, you can click on this ChatGPT, and once you click on it, it will tell you to log in or sign up. But to enjoy some of the benefits of that Android, of the laptop or the a computer you are using that you see us using or practicing how to use the other time, just come to these three dots up here, click on it. So once you click on it, you'll be able to have access to so you'll be able to have access to this one here. It's called desktop sites. So you come to desktop sites and click on desktop sites. So once you click on the desktop site, you see everything. The interface will change like that of the one we had initially with our system. So actually, if you log in, if you go to the site with your system, you can have this login here, sign up for free. So if you have not logged in before, if you have not signed up before, you will have to click on this sign up button here. But if you have to click on the login. So I have an account actually, and I want to log into that same account I used while using my system on my computer. I'll just click on login. So I'm on login now. What I will have to do is just to come here and input my email address. So I'll click on the email address here and click on continue. So once I click on continue, the thing will load automatically. It will tell me to put my password. So I'll put my password here. Yeah. So you put your password. So once you are done with your password, it's just for you to sign up. And once you sign up, then you are good to go. Then I just click on continue. And a code has been sent to my email account. Is just to minimize and go to my email, and yes, the email has arrived. So the code has arrived actually. So you just to click on it and copy the code, and here we are good to go. Just copy and paste. So paste here. So here we have the code pasted already. So just to click on continue. Be patient to the network. So it seems the thing has returned to normal Android function, but I don't want it to be like this because I want to enjoy the system experience. So just click on the three dots again and come and change it to desktop site so that we can have the chat now. So let's check on the evil influence in society. So just click on it. You see some of the work we did initially through the laptop we showed, because I use the same account to actually do the same thing, or to log in the same account on this very phone. So just drag it so that you can have what you are looking for. So actually we have the prompt here. So the same way we did there and copied that prompt from Microsoft Word to ChatGPT, we can actually do the same here by holding onto this thing here. You can double click, sorry. You can hold, come to copy here. So you can see the copy. Look at the copy button here. So we click on copy. So I've copied it actually. So once you have copied this prompt from the description on the video on YouTube, you just have to come to ChatGPT. If I go to a new chat now and post and paste this thing here, you will see we have what we want already here. So if you want to edit, anyone you want to edit, you can just come and click and hold. Sorry. So you can just click and hold and highlight what you want to change here. If you want to change the title, you can just change the title here. Maybe it's on affiliate marketing. Maybe you can say Facebook affiliate marketing. So here we have another style of what we are doing. So once you are done with writing the ebook, maybe you want to change the topic, and here we have changed the topic already. Though I'm not using this phone already to do anything, but just to get you involved when it comes to using the Android phone to write your own ebook. So you have this Facebook, maybe you can say Facebook marketing, sorry. Facebook marketing strategy, marketing strategy. Then you have if you don't have idea on what to write, that this model is for everybody, whether for masters online or for beginners. So you can actually use this to, if you don't have any idea at all, you can just go to ChatGPT and say, hey, ChatGPT, I want to write an ebook on maybe health tips on affiliate marketing, and I need trending topics that I can use without plagiarism. The word plagiarism means maybe somebody has written something before. Maybe somebody has written something before, and you don't want your own ebook to look exactly like the person's own. Although they might be saying the same thing and pointing out to the same message, but your own will look different from that person's own. It's called plagiarism free. So you can include maybe before the author's name or after the author's name, you just write, you can just say write without plagiarism. So you can plagiarism. So you can write it like this and give it. Once you paste it like this and just edit it the way it is, automatically your ebook will start coming up as described or according to the prompt you are given to ChatGPT. So just use this model to write your own. You can change the topic, change the tone preference, just like the way we did in on the computer. You can change the tone preference, and you can change the target audience. So you see the target audience will say Satan's captives, because these are the people we are writing to, so that they can understand what they are doing. So the tone preference is turning from occult, making them understand the danger of being evil in society. So you can see the tone preference and the targeted audience. So according to your niche, if you don't even have idea of what to do, you can create another chart. Let's create another chart. Let's come here, create a new chart. You can just write on the new chart. Sorry. You can write on the new chart and just tell ChatGPT to tell you what to do. So this one, we are deleting this one here. So once you are done writing your ebook, sorry, I just delete all these ones. Let's hold on. now we have like an empty place. You can just say, for example, I want to write an ebook about affiliate marketing. Please give me 10 captivating topics. So you can see, then let's just click on hit on go so that you see what we have here. So click on enter. So you can see captivating topic marketing. So you can see this one. But if you want to give your own description, or you want to give your own prompt like the way we did here, or this one, maybe before you will come across this video, maybe it might have been used. So you just write, we will add like without plagiarism at the end of, I want to write ebook about affiliate marketing. Please give me 10 captivating topics. And without captivating topics without plagiarism. So once you have these things done, you can just write the ebook in a complete format, the topics rather in a complete format that is void of plagiarism. It will not look like other people's content. You just give your own unique write-up or your own unique ebook. So you understand. So this is what I was saying. So if you don't have idea, you can use this topic to right. So if you copy this number one topic now, go and replace it with the place when we're talking about where you will input your topic in the prompt we copied the other time. You just put this one there and put the tone preference, the marketing strategy, how you the things we edited in the first one. So from there you can just start doing your own writing your own ebook rather. So once you are done writing the ebook, you can just come to this place here, and what you just do, just copy it, and once you copy, there's something you will do. We are going to take it to here we have chapter 1. The shadowed hand behind the curtain. So we have chapter 1. There are some things you actually remove from this. We have chapter 1. So copy this one. For example, you are done writing the ebook. We have some. This is why using Android can be a bit difficult at times, although you can use it very well if you are used to. So just press and hold. So here we have a way to drag. We have so just once you're done writing it, you can drag it and drag it. Drag it. So here we have don't know why this is a problem with Android actually in this kind of work. So you drag it down. So here whatever you've copied, you can bring it. So once you are done, or there is a way you can even do this. If your Android is giving you issues like this, you can tell somebody that is maybe close to you and say, oh, please, I want to use your system for something. So just within the next 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, you are done with working. just to save the ebook to your phone. Then from there you can start selling to customers or to your audience. So if you're having difficulties copying from your Android phone like this, you can just look for a way. So if you copy this now, you copy this and come to your notes. Just so your Android will not give you issues like this. You just have to be patient with copying when it comes to Android, because you might just go about copying what is up instead of what is down. So let's come to this place. Like, let me see if I have, okay, I think I have Notepad here. So here I have Notepad. No. So I'll come and I want to add here. So if you want to note something down, you can paste here. So once you've pasted what you want, you can edit it from here. That's it. So you can edit it from here actually. Anything you want, as you are on your Android and we are editing on from the system, you can be editing here also. Anything that you think you don't want in the ebook, or you don't like the way ChatGPT puts it, you can change it over here. So this is how you can actually edit with it. So once you are done editing, you can actually copy all this. You can actually copy. Okay, let's go back to ChatGPT now. Sorry, we are having, okay, everything has loaded. So we'll come to ChatGPT and click on this arrow here so that we can actually go further. So all these things are here. You will just click on copy. So we have copied it, all those things that we've copied everything. So I actually want to replace them, all these ones. I want to replace them. I paste it here, so you can see all that we copied there are pasted. So you can come here and begin to delete. These ones are just inscription or description of how we should do on ChatGPT to write more, or to stop writing, or to give more options, or to give a prompt to ChatGPT to continue writing in a way through ChatGPT. But we don't need any of those ones in the chapter 1. So you can actually delete some of the things you don't want here. So here you can delete, you can do it like this. Just continue deleting some of the things you don't want and replace them with what you want. But if you say the words are okay by you, you can go with it. But no, you cannot just go with it like that, because some things might be there that you will need to change actually to make your ebook unique. That while people are reading, they will not be confused, because some of the things that ChatGPT will write inside the book that you will copy might not really be what people want to read. It might just be an option that ChatGPT is giving to you so that you can finalize by telling ChatGPT what you really want him to do next. So here we have all the chapter 1 copied. So you can do like this with chapter 1, chapter 2 to chapter 5. So here we have everything copied. So you can actually put all these things together. Once you put all these things together, you can then copy it and save it. See, we talked about, I told you about copying and pasting on your notepad, but just in case the thing is being difficult for you while using the desktop site to copy the things you have written with ChatGPT, what you have to do is just to come to Play Store. Come to Play Store. This is what you are downloading actually, text to PDF. So this will actually enable you to be able to convert your ebook to PDF format. So you don't need to pay anybody to convert it for you. So it's completely free to use this text to PDF. So just come to your Play Store. Come to Play Store and so you can see. Let's just type it so that it will be straightforward for you. Text. to PDF. So let's click on text to PDF. So this is what you're downloading, text to PDF. So I've installed it already, so it's installed to my phone. So just come here. Everything we have written on ChatGPT, I've told you what to do. On that. So just come to the text to PDF. Come to the text to PDF here. Just click on text to PDF. So once you're on text to PDF, there are things I'm going to show you so that you will know how you can edit and how to do whatever you want to do. So I actually saved this. I used it as an example so that I can put you through on how you'll be able to save it to your mobile. So here I have to delete this one from here. Delete this one from here. So okay, the file was said successfully. So menu, I want to create. Don't select a text file. That is not what we are doing here. You're going to create a new PDF document. You understand? So you click on create new PDF document. So here you come and paste what you have copied from ChatGPT. So once you've copied it, you have nothing to worry about. Once you've copied it, you can just anything you want to make big. Maybe you want to say the influence of occultic men by all legit, you understand, without any harmful. So you see, we copied all those things from ChatGPT, including the ones that are down here. Let me show you. So all those things, the ones that are down, they have deleted them. So you examine and check very well. So the influence of occultic men, this is the topic. So you can decide to either make it bold. So you can see everything. Most of the things we have in the Microsoft Word, they are here. So you can just click on B. So this B will just make it bold automatically. So here we are going to, so you know the kind of style you are using. Know the kind of style you are using actually. So we have this style here. We can say by all legit, we'll make it bold. At the same time, we're going to give the text a style. You can click on this I here, this one here. We have clicked on this one before, so you click on this I here. So you click on this I, so the text, it looks as if the thing is having a different style. So you can do it like this. It depends on you. So what we want to delete, we want to delete from here. Yes, we want to delete from here. Yes, we want to delete from this very place. I want to delete it. So I will have to come here and just delete it to the end. Delete it to the end. Delete it to the end, so that you will have a unique ebook. So actually we are starting from here. Delete all these ones because these are what ChatGPT told you he wanted to do before he started writing ebook chapter 1. So the ebook chapter 1 actually. So here we have so while you are using this application, there is tendency that ads will pop up because it's completely free. If you want to use the app without ads, you have to pay. So there's no need of paying because actually they will not restrict you from doing what you want to do. So your own is just to do it like this, and you can see our chapter 1. So that is how you copy chapter 1. Like I told you before, copy chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and just be editing it one after the other. But if you are having any difficulty to copy using the desktop site on your Android phone, you can use the normal Android experience. No need to put it on desktop site, so that you can easily copy the ebook to your text to PDF. So here, how to save it? You will come to save here. Save. Now we have our save. So actually I've selected a location for the document to be saved to as PDF already. You can see name text to PDF, but here you can put the name of any name you want it to be saved with, whether your author name or the book title's name, so that you can recognize it. You can put it here. But I'm not doing all of those because I have my ebook written already and I can use my computer to edit it, but I'm just showing you who wants to use Android to do it. So you can put the name here. Let's say, for example, you want to say evil influence. Evil influence. So let me just leave evil influence, but you can use any topic you want to use. So I select college. So I'm using internal storage. Maybe you have SD card in your phone, you want to save it to your SD card. You know how to do it yourself, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm using internal storage. So through the internal storage, I'll come to let me come to college. You can choose anyone you wish to choose, whether alarms, Android, don't play this IM college, but I want to use college. So you will choose a file that you don't have anything stored there, so that will be easy for you to locate. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on this. Seems my highlighter has been hidden. I'm going to click on this, use this folder. So once you click on use this folder, you click on allow. So once you click on allow, you come to watermark is optional. Please don't impute watermark. Don't impute watermark. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. This is how, if you impute watermark, this is how it will look like. Let me go to my files. So you come to files here, and once you put it in, so you come to file here. Sorry, I was just checking something before. So you come to here, you can see, sorry, this was what we edited initially. I think I deleted it. So if you save it with that watermark, let me see. No, not here. So if you save it with that watermark, what will happen is that the watermark will show it will show on your, let's go to the save. Let me show you. If you save it with watermark, any name you put here will be showing on the page, not on the bottom of the page. It will be showing on each page. It will cover some text. You understand? So let me show you what I'm saying, but you don't put it. Let me use, for example, all legit. Sorry, all legit. So this is all legit. I've used it as the watermark. Please don't use watermark. It will spoil your whole work. You will have to start again. So, but I'm just trying to show you how the thing will look like if you decide to use watermark. So here we have so this is the text color. You are seeing the text color is the watermark color. So if you don't choose anything that is called watermark, don't. So we are going to save now. If I save with watermark, you'll see how the thing will look like. So and saving.
Why let your hard-earned money just sit there doing nothing? With Nemo Money Investing app, earn 6% AER interest on your uninvested cash, paid every single day. Save what you want.
You just exit and look at wonderful work. It has been transferred to PDF. But because we save with watermark, see what I was saying, the thing will show on your page like this. So don't save with watermark.
Why let your hard-earned money just sit there doing nothing?
Do something
with Nemo Money Investing app, earn 6% AER interest on your uninvested cash, paid every single day.
Just wait for the thing. Just
save what you want.
Exit, and now you are good to go. So this is how you can actually convert your written ebook from ChatGPT into PDF using text to PDF. So do well to download this. It will ease you. You don't need to pay any printer and say, oh, help me to do this, or help me to do that, or help me to turn it to PDF or Word. Once you do it like this, you can post it to Seller and promote your products on any platform, whether on WooCommerce on your website or on Seller. You can promote your products on Facebook while you've uploaded it on Seller or WooCommerce. So there's how to do it. So let's move further. For you. So at the end of this video, we are going to talk about how you are going to create your own ebook cover. But then from here, we'll go back to our sorry, I X something that was not supposed to X. We'll go back to our system now to continue the editing. So now there's something I would love to show you next before we go there. I'll come to Chrome now because I actually exited. It didn't show. Click on these three dots. So once you've clicked on the three dots, you come back to add to whole screen. You can see add to home screen. So once you add to whole screen, I advise you should not download the ChatGPT app from Play Store. Just use the website. Click on this add to home screen. So once you click on the add to home screen, you can see ChatGPT, you can see add. Because this will be best for you. It's the best option for you so that you can have multiple prompts to write in a day or to give in a day. Because if you go about using the app, you might not have privilege like that. You might not have privilege like that. So we have saved it now. Let's go to our phone and see what we have in our phone. So you can see wonderful ChatGPT here. So once you click on it, it will automatically take you to Chrome, and here we have our account. So this is how you can actually do it using ChatGPT to edit your video or your ebook rather. So here we're done with that ChatGPT. So next, now we are going to create our ebook cover using Canva. So actually we are going to use Canva to create our ebook. Canva to create our ebook cover. So here we have Canva, and we are going to. I'm using another account actually. So here we are using Canva. Canva here. Click on Canva, and here we have our Canva already. So accept all cookies. We'll come here and we will not use desktop site now, but we are going to first of all change the. Let's go back. I'm not using this account. We'll use this. So with these accounts, we are going to click on. We have Canva here. So let's actually log in because it seems the thing is not working the way I wanted it to work. So just log into your Canva through the browser, and this will actually help if you don't have enough space on your phone maybe to download the Canva app, or if you feel like downloading the Canva app, you can do it. But I'm using this site because I actually want it to be in a way that you can enjoy some of the things that we'll be doing through the system, through the website using our laptop or computer. So here you can click on continue. Click on continue. So you enter password. So you enter password here. Yes. So here we have our password. Just to input the password. So if you are not on Canva already, you can just click on these three dots. You can go back to the main browser. Then from there you can enter a Canva. It's just a simple process. Just sign up with your email account. Just sign up. So once you sign up, you are good to go. Once you sign up on Canva. But one thing you must know about Canva is that you need the pro version to do some editing. There are some things you might need, some elements you might need that you might not see in the free version of Canva. So you need a pro version actually to change on this format so that it will look like the way it was in our system. Just come to this place and click on desktop site, the way we did it before, the desktop site. So here we have the desktop site. So it will look like the one we had in our system earlier. So here we have, so since you want to create an ebook cover, here you're writing ebook cover. You write ebook cover, so you search for ebook cover. So ebook cover here. So we go for you can see ebook covers here. So but we need a blank ebook cover. Actually, let's click on show more. The network here is something else. So these are actually the ebooks I've created before. So these are some of my designs. So here we have see, we couldn't load your content, so there will be no problem on that. So we'll just choose one cover randomly so that we can use it, and we'll delete what we have there already and use elements to put the ebook cover. So here we can put this one here. I'll put this one here and click on it. Now the network here is not too friendly, but I'm just going to go through it little by little. So here we have the Canva ebook design loading, the ebook cover rather loading. So sorry. What kind of network is this one in this area? So here we have it is loading gradually. So let's just wait a bit. Okay, now we have the ebook ready. So what I want is actually, this one is like an video, maybe a slide, but I don't want anything slide here. So I just have to click on these three dots, and desktop side is already on, so I will just make it a bit small. So here we have some things already. The thing is still loading. These symbols you are seeing down here would have been the things we'll use, for example, the elements and all. So okay, it's like it's loading gradually. So it has loaded. We come to elements. I'm using elements. So with the elements I'm using, just click on the elements, and with that element you can have access to searching for what you want. So in the element search bar, I can just type in ebook. So ebook, I will say ebook cover. Here we have ebook cover. So you can see ebook cover. Here we have tons of ebook covers that you can actually use for your design, your ebook cover design. So we can click on anyone actually. Let's click on maybe this one that is standing here. I think I will go with this one. Click on this one that is standing here. Just click on it. I'll need this one so that I can just design it to suit my preference. But then I don't need this background. Just click on the delete button and just get rid of this background here. I don't need that background. So click on the background here, and I'll have to click on this one again because I actually like. So let me put color. Let's say we want green color in the background, or maybe purple, or maybe any color you actually want. I think this color is okay. So let's try other color and see which one matches. I think this color, this color here. This color here is okay. So here we have to add our tests. So once you've added your test here, you are good to go. So from here we'll go back to, let's go to the topic. Actually is what we have to add on the surface of this ebook. So here we have clicked it. I've clicked on the ebook. So we can say, for example, let's just add, we're adding text now. Adding text. Let's click on this. So we'll click on this. We will need sorry, I'm not seeing the text icon here. We want to add text icon. Let's click on, oh sorry, that was a mistake. So we are back to our page. So okay, yeah, I think we have. I wonder where this test has been since. So here we have our test. You are adding a heading. Add a heading. Click on add a heading. So here we have the evil of occult men and women in the society. So we have our title here, but this title cannot just carry the same color, so we have to design it. And we have to design this. We'll come to, let's click on, you click on this side so that you can click on this side so that you can have access to drag this one here. So here you can drag it, drag it, and drag it. We want to increase the font. Here. You can see the size of the font. Look at font here. So click on the font. So I think we are not using font this time. Click on, let's use, so we'll go with font size. Or if font size does not work, we'll go with the format. Let's go with font size. So we drag this and drag it and make it a little bit. So we'll go, after that we'll go with the format. So we'll go with the format and click on it has been there. So we go back to the normal way it was before. So we drag and drag. Just in case you don't have anything that you can use to do your own ebook like this, you can just doing ebook. Actually, the ebook cover can cost you up to like 2,000 naira for the ebook cover. So you can drop your comments below if you want to create your own ebook cover. Then you come to the color. We want to change some colors. Number one, we'll have to the evil of occult men and women. So to make it look more presentable, we're going to separate these men and women in will be at the center. So we are going to use, let's use another color for this. We're going to use one color for this. So we'll come to this color sign here. This one. Then click on the A. So we have to change this color. The evil of occult men and women. So we'll just use one of these colors or this color here. So you can say the evil of occult men and women. Occult men and women. Because men and women, we are going to use another color for this. So we probably going to use this background color again this time. The evil of occult men and women in this we can use maybe, can we use purple? Let's use this one first. Okay, let's say so we're actually using this Canva with font to do this, so you can understand how to. But if you're using laptop or your computer to do it, will be very easy to truly navigate or to edit. So in this society we have to change the color. So maybe green. Maybe green. I think green is okay here. So we have this done. So you can just come. We have to add. We need to add another thing. Let's say we need another text. You can say we're adding a heading again and say by we are using, you can say all, because we're using all legit. That is a brand name. These are brand names. So by all legit. So we can actually click on the side and drag this. So we can drag this here. We drag this here. So here we have the book cover. So you can actually chat us up so that we can help to design this. Just in case, but I will advise you get your own Canva. It's about 24,000 of the Nigerian naira, 24,000 or 23,000 plus. So you can actually purchase it, because by the time you are writing like 10 ebooks and you are paying 2,000 naira to do the ebook cover, it will cost you much. So just gather up the money and you can get your own Canva that you can use in. You can be using it on your system to write your own ebook. So here we need to change. I think the all ages are like the black color like this, but this by we are going to change it. I'm going to change it. We're going to change the color. So let's X this. We change the color, the fonts. Sorry, not the fonts, not the color. Come to the color here. And we're going to use, which color do we use? I think we'll go with, okay, let's go with link color. Let's go with this. So click on this. I think this one is perfect. So here we have the ebook cover already for us to publish our ebook. But once we want to do sorry for that. Once we are ready for using our system, there are some things I will change here using system, but just to know how you can do it with your Android phone using ChatGPT and Canva actually. So with this, we have it here, so we can just click on share. Sorry, let me just show you where you can find share. Or just come to share up here and just click on share. Once you have your share, you can click on this download here. Click on download. So immediately you download the PNG is a suggested format. So you click on download. So immediately you click on download. Voila. We are downloading our ebook cover already. So you saved your design. So now we're not opening it. So if you open it, you will see how it looks like. It's not wonderful. So we go back to share. No, not share. These three dots up here. So once you go to these three dots up here, you can save these as a shortcut. Use that a shortcut. You can say I told you before, add to home screen. So click on the add to home screen and add these to your home screen. Add it. Add it to your home screen. So once you have come, if you maybe the thing is showing you different titles of how you are hiding to your home screen, you can come back to home. So once you are on home, you can click on these three dots here and add to home screen. So you can see here home Canva. So add it. So add. So here you have your shortcut already on your device. So from here we are done with teaching you how you can use Android to design it. Now let's go back to our system to make it easier for you to understand. So here we have this one. We are deleting this one. We don't need it. We remove this one. So home Canva is what we need. So once you click on it, you will arrive at this very destination. So you have your ChatGPT shortcut or your Canva shortcut already on your phone. So we are going back to the